How to learn pronouns in English grammar. In English, there are several types of pronouns. Some common types include personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. Each type serves a different purpose in a sentence. They help us avoid repetition and make our sentences more concise. 1. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to specific people or things. I, you, he, she, it. Example. 1. I love ice cream. 2. You are a talented musician. 3. He is reading a book. 4. She is going to the store. 5. It is raining outside. 2. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership: mine, yours, his, hers, its. Example. 1. The book is mine. 2. Is this pen yours? 3. The jacket is his. 4. The bag is hers. 5. The toy is its. 3. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns reflect back to the subject of the sentence. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. Example. 1. I baked the cake myself. 2. Did you fix the car yourself? 3. He hurt himself playing soccer. 4. She dressed herself for the party. 5. The cat licked itself clean. 4. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things. This, that, these, those. Example. 1. This is my favorite song. 2. That is a beautiful painting. 3. These are my new shoes. 4. Those are my old books. 5. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Who, whom, whose, which, what. Example. 1. Who is coming to the party? 2. Whom did you invite to the event? 3. Whose phone is this? 4. Which color do you prefer? 5. What is your favorite movie? 6. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns connect clauses together. Who, whom, whose, which, that. Example. 1. The person who won the race is my friend. 2. The teacher whom I admire is retiring. 3. The book whose cover is torn belongs to me. 4. The movie which we watched last night was amazing. 5. The dog that barked woke me up. 7. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are words we use when we don't want to be specific. Anyone, someone, everyone, nobody, something, anything. Example. 1. Anyone can participate in the competition. 2. Someone left their umbrella here. 3. Everyone enjoyed the party. 4. Nobody knows the answer. 5. I have something for you. Pronouns make our sentences shorter and more concise. These are just a few examples, but there are more pronoun types in English. I hope these examples help.